You can take your blindfolds off right now.
Where are we?
Did you buy another house? Did you buy a house?
It's yours.
Adam, no.
It's yours.
No.
Oh, oh no, don't cry. Don't cry. Is this a bad time to say prank? Oh mama.
Adam,
No, don't cry.
you bought a house?
Yeah, it's yours.
You bought us a house?
I bought you a house.
What? What?
Oh my god, Adam.
I know this house. We viewed this.
I know, this is the house that he's really liked when you viewed it.
Adam,